So students, our subtopic today is covalent bonding. There are two types of bonding. We have covalent bonding and also electrovalent bonding. Today specifically we are going to look at covalent bonding. The concept about covalent bonding, the details about covalent bonding, examples of compounds which are forming covalent bonds. At the same time, we are also going to look at the properties of covalent compounds. Now, before we start going to the covalent bonding, students, let's try to review our knowledge about chemical bonding. If somebody asks you what is a chemical bonding, what are you going to answer? Now, let's try to review. I would like to take a very good example of a situation whereby we have got a chemical bonding, or we have got a bonding taking place at our own places, and then try to bring that knowledge from everywhere to this subtopic of chemical bonding in terms of chemistry. Now, take yourself to a construction site where there's somebody who is building a house. Now, a house is built by blocks. Now, these blocks are in units. Now, if the person who is doing the construction wants to put two blocks together, what is he or she supposed to do? There must be something that is going to put in between the blocks to stick the blocks together. So he or she is trying to join two blocks together by a particular component. Now, this component in construction is called a mortar. We have two blocks or two stones, and then the technician who is trying to build this house has to put something here so as to connect these two blocks together. And once it is connected, it's not very easy to separate the two. What he's trying to do is trying to hold together this block and this block. This is called bonding of blocks together in our general knowledge. Now, if bonding of blocks together is holding the blocks together by putting something in between, then if you bring the same knowledge to our chemistry, then you can also say when atoms bond, there must be something that is in between them that is making them to stick together. So in this knowledge, we can be able to understand exactly what is bonding, or we can have an idea of the concept of chemical bonding.